Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Highstreet. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this breakout from this big down channel. And right now, Highstreet is trying to break this major resistance of $2.50 after this breakout from this down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup on Highstreet that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 20th of July, almost a week ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardley pattern. And by the way, this move was formed with Bitcoin pair. Therefore, I'm just going to tell you the values in Bitcoin. And you can see at that time it was moving inside the potential reversal zone or buying zone that starts from 726 and goes to 0.0000696, and it was moving at 718. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line slightly moved below than this potential reversal zone of this Gardley move. You can see slightly moved down, but recovered very soon and rallied up to here at 0.00012. So it was more than 65% pump since I published this idea. And during this move, if we take a look at the high with US dollar pair chart, then it has reached its resistance, the key resistance of $2.50. You can see I've placed two channels here. The previous channel was here. The starting of the formation of this channel was started back in December 2021, and after several rejections and one fake out to the downside, the price line broke out here. We had a nice pump, by the way. After the breakout, we had the pump approximately 114%, but the target was here at the top of the channel, approximately $15, but it could not break out this resistance of $7.50. Right now we are having such resistance here at $2.50, and it was rejected here. Several days it has been trying to break out this resistance but could not break it out, and previously here this resistance was working as a support. Same as like that, after breaking out this channel we had a nice pump. If I place this measurement tool from after this breakout to the current candlestick, to the high of the current candlestick, then you can see we have more than 130% pump, but still it is not able to break out this resistance of $2.50. And I'm expecting that once it will be able to break out, then we can expect that soon it will hit the final target of this down channel, that can be here at the top of the channel at $7.50. And you can see that previously we have so many rejections, and right now price line is still struggling to break out this resistance. We had a long spike up to $2.86, but you can see it is again moved down at $2.15. Right now it is moving at $2.15. Therefore, the next few hours or days can be really very important for Highstreet. If it will be able to break out this key resistance, then we can expect a big pump in coming few days. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.